All right, so we are doing the most common way we use the scarf, which is as a shawl right over the shoulders, right? Why stop there? This is beautiful, by the way. Let's spice it up a little bit. Just drape it over, bring it to the back, the ends, take both ends, take it to the back, and tie it up as loose or as tight as you need to. And now you have a more fancier and stylish shawl. I love this look. You should try it. All right, our next one is using your scarf as a belt. Now, those that don't really like to wear belts, but you need a belt, this is a great option for you. Just get it right through those belt loops. It doesn't matter how big or small the belt loops are. And once you get it to the front, either you could just leave it as it is. That's cute. Or go ahead and tie it up. If you got some pants that's a little too big, you've been losing some weight, maybe you want to tie it up. It'll be so cute. Look at that. So you have a fashionable belt. All right, here we go. So let's go ahead and let's spice up our wrap around scarf around our neck. Let's make it into an accessory. So we're going to go ahead and just twist her up, almost looking like a braid. Very super easy style. Just wrap it all the way up until you get to the end. And then you're going to make a nice tie or knot at the bottom. Make sure that tag not showing now. You could leave it just like that. Or you don't like it hanging, that's okay. Just wrap it around a little bit. Tuck it in like so. And look at that. You have a braided scarf. Beautiful. Okay, so this is one of my favorite ways to use a scarf as a head wrap. Who out there had those bad hair days? Or you don't even have to have a bad hair day. You just want a nice, cute hair accessory. A scarf will do it. So just this easy wrap around head scarf with one of these beautiful scarves will do the job. Just wrap it around as so. It's however you need to do it. My hair is kind of long and thick, but anyone can wear these. Anyone. Just style it any kind of way you want, but of course, I love that style, don't you? All right, so our next style is the bow tie. So just tying around your neck, take 2 loops and then tie it together to make you a perfect bow. This is an awesome style to wear with a blazer, or as you see here, we have like a short duster that's like a cover up, or it could be like a blazer. Super cute. You can even wear it to the side. Look at that. But you can wear your bow any kind of way you like. But this is awesome. Another way to wear one of our scarves. Okay, so I wanted to give you a couple of bonuses of some other ways you could wear this scarf. So you see here where you just kind of drape it in the front of you, tie it to the back as so. Kind of fix it up, make sure you can see that pretty print in the front. And then go ahead and add that jacket, that blazer to it, and voila. Look at that. That's super cute. Don't you agree? Oh, and one more head wrap that you can make. Look at that. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please make sure you subscribe and let me know what other tutorials you want to see down below.